Hello, good morning, everyone. My name is Ondrej Sedlacek. I work as a salesperson at a Q System company, Czech manufacturer of control and reservation systems. We are here at ISE 2023 show, and we want to accent a little bit what is here on a display. This is a touchONE, which is a brand name of our reservation system product family. And there is a lot of great features you can see. What we are showing here is a couple of new products like new 10-inch panels with a new LED bar around the frame, a new design. You can see that there is a possibility to display on a screen also some information in our info mode, like static pictures or live video or web pages. Part of this reservation system is a very robust and strong and successful software we have, where it's represented here on the screen with a front-end module called touchONE Assist, which is dedicated to end users. And one relatively recent contribution and news in this software part is also indoor navigation, which we officially launched last summer. But on ISE, this is a premiere. So you are welcome to learn more if you need the information. Please join us here or go to our website. Our website regarding this product line is www.touchone.eu.